Have you ever wondered what would happen if you added planking to your daily routine? Planking has become a very popular exercise over the past few years, and for good reason. Not only is it a great core workout, but it also engages your arms, legs, and glutes. So let's dive into the benefits and what will happen if you commit to planking every day for just 1 minute. First things first, what is planking? Planking is a bodyweight exercise where you hold yourself in a straight line with your elbows and toes touching the ground. It may look simple, but it's actually a pretty challenging exercise. Don't worry though, we're not asking you to hold a plank for 5 minutes straight like some crazy fitness enthusiasts out there. Just 1 minute every day can make a huge difference. So what happens when you plank every day for 60 seconds? For starters, your core will become stronger. Your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles will all benefit from this exercise. With a stronger core, you'll have better posture and reduce your risk of back pain. Plus, a strong core will make other exercises, such as squats and deadlifts, easier to perform. But the benefits don't stop there. Planking also improves your balance and stability. As you hold the plank position, you engage your glutes, hamstrings, and quads, which all contribute to your overall stability. This is especially important as we age and our balance naturally deteriorates. By practicing planking, you can help prevent falls and improve your overall balance. Another benefit of planking is that it improves your mood. Exercise, in general, releases endorphins, which are the body's natural mood boosters. But planking, in particular, can help reduce stress and anxiety. As you hold the plank position, you have to focus on your breathing and form, which can help calm your mind and reduce stress levels. And the fun fact for today is that planking was actually used as a form of punishment in the military. That's right, soldiers were forced to hold the plank position as a form of disciplinary action. Thankfully, we're not using planking as a punishment here, but as a way to improve our overall health and fitness. Now, let's talk about how to plank correctly. The first step is to get into the proper position. Start by lying face down on the ground with your elbows under your shoulders and your forearms on the ground. Then, lift your body off the ground, keeping your toes and forearms on the ground. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Make sure to engage your core and squeeze your glutes to keep your body stable. One common mistake people make when planking is letting their hips sag or lifting them too high. Remember to keep your body in a straight line and avoid any excessive movement. Also, be sure to breathe throughout the exercise. Holding your breath can cause your body to tense up and make the exercise more challenging than it needs to be. So, are you ready to give planking a try? Start by committing to just 1 minute a day and gradually work your way up to longer durations. You can even mix things up by adding side planks or plank variations such as shoulder taps or leg lifts. There are endless possibilities to keep things interesting. In conclusion, planking every day for 60 seconds is a great way to improve your core strength, balance, and mood. Not to mention, it's a quick and easy exercise that can be done anywhere. So let's all commit to adding planking to our daily routine and watch our overall health and fitness improve. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. So try to make planking a habit and stick with it. And that's a wrap for this video on the benefits of planking every day for 60 seconds. I hope you learned something new and are motivated to try planking for yourself. Don't forget to let us know in the comments if you've tried planking before and what benefits you've noticed. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and health content. Thanks for watching.